Walking through a busy plaza, I noticed a pair of crows, aggressively harassing something, small and defenseless on the sidewalk. As I got closer, I found a tiny owl cornered against a concrete wall. Frightened, it puffed up its wings, trying its best to look intimidating. I reached down slowly to offer a comforting touch, and the little bird gradually calmed down, allowing me to lift it to safety. With the owl out of harm's way, I kept it quiet during the car ride home and placed it into a cardboard box so it could rest and settle its nerves. It didn't take long for the bird to adjust. It even gently nuzzled against my face before eagerly accepting some food I offered. My experience with this rescue eventually inspired me to learn more about these birds, like practicing falconry with this small owl landing on my glove. Over time, I even had the opportunity to work with much larger species, like this owl that occasionally likes to glide across the room and land right on my head, and even put on a grand display when it spots itself in the mirror.